Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van On Company. It's Monday, July 25th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Lower trade once again in soybeans. It seems like when they want to go lower, they go big, and so they closed down 22 cents lower on the day. As you got another favorable forecast for August weather here. Your 8 to 14 day is well into August at this point. So what we are seeing there is maybe slightly above normal temperatures, but rains to follow along with that for majority of the Corn Belt. Looks like in the 6 to 10, Nebraska might be a little bit hot and dry, but besides that, for the most part, that weather is looking really good. Now these forecasts can change a bit before they come true, but for the most part, you're looking at these saying that we've had excellent crop conditions so far. Everything is looking so fantastic. Every report you hear is that the corn and beans through the big I states just look phenomenal, and so what you have here is just a case of the fact that are we running out of time to get a story where these crops are really going to fail here. August will be our first look probably at a yield change out of USDA. They don't have to change in August, but typically they do come in here and adjust this in August. You've gotten enough of summer weather and crop conditions that you have an idea of how these yields are going to go. You did have corn and wheat actually hold their own against soybeans for a second trading day in a row. They did it on Friday as well. Corn closed down just a half a cent, and then wheat actually up 1 to 4 cents there. So positive trade coming out of that. Meat markets all higher. Actually, live cattle, feeder cattle, lock limit higher. So live cattle up $3, feeders up $4.50. That's coming off the cattle on feed report on Friday. That was favorable. Lean hogs were just up slightly, up 40 to 50 cents. They're coming off the support from cattle market. And then those outside markets all in the red here with crude down a buck. That actually puts crude around $43 to $44 a barrel. So it's really getting down there. The dollar slightly weaker and the Dow actually slightly weaker as well. Moving forward, what we're going to look at is this afternoon we'll get an idea of crop conditions once again, seeing how those pan out. Usually you're declining throughout the summer. They haven't done that yet, and they're running about 8 to 10% above average and last year as far as crop conditions go as well. And we'll have an idea of what progress you've made as far as silking, as far as blooming, as far as those kind of directions to see how far along this crop actually is. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.